Hey guys, I'm at work right now and Jeremy is sleeping. I was just sitting here checking some stuff on my phone with my Etsy shop, and their cat Pumpkin is a very affectionate cat. She decided to climb on my shoulder and she was kneading my boob. She was kneading my boob and she has claws and it hurt. And she was catching my hair too, so I moved my hair, but now she's just sitting on my shoulder purring. I've never had a cat do this before. It's kind of funny. Pumpkin, what are you doing? I'm gonna be covered in hair. This is really uncomfortable too. I'm in a weird position. How about you give me a shoulder massage? This is really funny. Anyways, I have to share this. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Say bye to everyone, Pumpkin.